We are here at the Cottages at Pine Lake, and today we're going to take a look at Sherry's tiny home. She's decorated with a real neat kind of beach theme, a real happy kind of chill vibe, and it's going to take you on a little tour here, show you around, and show you what she's done. This was an 8x24 incredible tiny home, RJO, or American Dream, and she's been living here now about 6 months or so, I think. And she's got it all decorated. She's got plants all over. She's got a little lounge chair right here, and really just made it her own. So we're going to go inside and take a closer look, see what she's done on the inside. All right, let's go on in. Look at this. How cool is this? I did a little teaser tour video this in the past, but now it's completely done, and wow. It just feels so nice walking in here, so calm and peaceful. Look at that, I feel like you're at the beach right there. Okay. She's got the loft up there, but we'll start down here. So as you enter, you've got kind of the kitchenette here underneath the stairs. And a lot of people aren't sure kind of what to do with this space, but you've done a great job. I mean, it looks like perfect what you've done this here.
Thank you, thank you.
So you added the backsplash on there, the tile backsplash on there. Got the nice mirror to kind of add some additional space, make it feel much bigger. Tell us some more about what you, kind of your decorating style and kind of what you were going for here.
Well, I had a year to figure out what I wanted to do, what I was going to bring, and how I was going to decorate. So it's just things that I love, and that's kind of what I put in here, just the things that I love the most. A lot of plants. My bathroom has a lot of plants, and that's just what I love. Just the things that are in here, the things that mean the most to me, which are things from the beach.
Mm-hmm. And so you moved here from Texas.
Correct.
It's the last place you were before.
Which I moved to Texas from California.
And now you're in North Alabama.
That's right.
And you love the heat. You love the heat.
Yes, absolutely. Heat and sunshine.
So, all right. So there's, of course, the bathroom. Got your shower, got your toilet. You got this neat little... And is this fridge big enough for all your needs?
It is. It's perfect for me. Yep.
Okay. Little storage on top there as well. Here's another view of the kitchen from this direction. So, of course, was it exactly how you envisioned it when you came, or did you have to kind of go through a few things and kind of throw out some stuff? And what was the process like for you kind of moving in here and kind of getting everything situated?
Yeah, everything that I brought pretty much was exactly what I knew it would fit. But, of course, several trips to the Goodwill I have made, and as everybody else does. But for the most part, what I brought is what I knew would fit.
I mean, you wouldn't think this house is only 8 foot wide and 24 foot long with how all the stuff you've got in here and just how large it feels.
Yeah, it does. It is. It is definitely bigger, actually, than what I had thought it was going to be.
Of course, you got the vaulted ceilings, which I think helps too. And you painted the whole thing white.
Yes.
Which I think also helps with the
yes,
making it feel larger.
And I'm thankful that I did that, because the white helps a lot on the dreary days. When it's raining, the white just keeps it brighter for me, and I really need that. And ITH painted that.
So before you got it, it was already all painted.
Yes, absolutely. I paid extra to have that done, and I'm glad I did.
Of course, you're here on the north side of the property. You got a lake lot, so you got the lake on the south side of the house, and then on the north side of the house, you've got the kind of the little field, and there's some cows right next door, kind of hanging out.
Yes, and I love it. I love having the lake view out back and the pasture out the front. It's perfect. I absolutely love it, and I love being here at the lake. It's just beautiful, so peaceful. It's just fabulous. I just couldn't be happier.
Lots of wildlife too, right? I heard you guys have seen some eagles out here, and
Oh, everything. Everything you could possibly imagine is here. All good. All good.
and here's the loft. So I think it's like about a 10-foot long loft. And of course, you have the stairs there, which cut into it, which make it real nice and easy to get up there into the loft.
It is. It's perfect.
And you got, looks like a dresser over there on the right-hand side. And then that's your main sleeping quarters, obviously, is up here in the loft as well, right?
Yeah.
And how do you find the stairs? A lot of people don't like having to go upstairs, or
I like the stairs. I've slid down a couple times, but that's been my own fault. But I love it. I love my loft, and yeah, I just love it. I love this house.
yeah, it's so homely, so nice. All right, well that's about it. Anything else you'd like to let people know about your house, or?
No, just tiny house living can be however you want it to be. You just have to put in the things that you love and omit the things that you don't, and it's just fabulous. It's great. Absolutely wonderful. Very happy.
Very cool. Well, thank you, Sherry, for sharing your home with us, and I'm sure
welcome.
we'll get seen along in the comments here what people think about it, but I'm sure we're going to get a lot of happy faces and a lot of hearts.
Thank you for coming in.
All right, well, that'll do our little tour here of Sherry's 8x24 RJO American Dream tiny home here at the Cottages at Pine Lake. Let us know in the comments what you think about it, what your favorite part of this home is, and we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.